However, this choice is less costly. It starts at only $540, and it's affordable for everyone to purchase. Installing this concealing shelf is as simple as installing a regular shelf, and it is ideal for storing weapons up to 42 inches in length. It is constructed of genuine wood, has 2 magnetic keys, and functions by pneumatic release. It fits well with any interior because to its 9 color options. Naturally, the shelf is ideal for storing a variety of mementos and keepsakes, if only due to the 40-pound maximum load capacity, 20 on the shelf and 20 in the internal part. The idea behind this safe is to be the ideal bedroom companion, keeping your pistol as near as your nightstand. Disguised as an electronic clock, it grants access using RFID technology, much like bank cards. Up to 5 distinct tags may be established, and the creators think it's considerably faster than using a code or fingerprints. The safe's external measurements are 12 by 10.5 inches, while its internal measurements are 9.2 by 6.9 inches. The safe may be powered by AAA batteries or an electrical outlet, and if you'd want to feel even more secure, you can install a security wire to keep your safe from being stolen. One user asks that a version be made with a functional alarm clock. The cost is $334. This merchandise is probably something you've seen in a movie. A school guitar case, something like this may be seen in the film Desperado, and it's currently accessible to anyone who has an extra $170. The merchant claims that as these cases are produced in the same factories as standard cases, they serve as a deterrent to potential thieves in addition to being aesthetically pleasing. 3 1-inch thick soft foam inserts are included in the inside, which measures 42 inches long by up to 17 inches broad. The casing is easy to clean and resistant to collision, water, and dust. The only people who may use this trunk upgrade are security and law enforcement officers. This is a small gun cabinet for carrying weapons and ammo. It fits in a variety of cars and is simple to install. An officer's 3.4 by 1.6 foot segment costs around $1,900 for the basic version. Made of steel, the gun locker has Velcro straps and a cushioned cover. The remote control is a welcome feature. Given that there were 245 police officers per $100,000 people in 2015, these lockers are made in the United States. They'll be well liked for sure. Once determined the total number of guns owned by American civilians, the outcome came to almost 393 million units. Every Ghanaian would own at least 10 firearms if Americans gave their weapons to the country. Therefore, it makes sense that these cabinets are popular in the US. This one is a handcrafted, classic-looking wooden structure. Of course, the interior can hold an entire arsenal. Along with supplies and ammo, the cabinet contains weapons such as pistols, rifles, and shotguns. The cabinet is 60 inches high and 41 inches wide. It comes in a variety of wood types, such oak and maple. Water and a variety of common home chemicals, such as acetone and nail polish remover, do not affect the lacquer. The cost of this functional and helpful piece of furniture may be found by contacting us. Owning a gun responsibly entails keeping it locked up and safe. This issue is resolved by GunSafe. However, installing them in an apartment is difficult, much alone getting them open quickly. After reaching these conclusions, American employees created some fashionable furniture that would let you to rapidly equip yourself, much as in the Mr. and Smith, Mrs. Be Prepared in Times of Need is the company's motto. Tables, shelves, mirrors, and other items are available. Thanks to RFID technology, the furniture unlocks in a matter of seconds. It is easy to install. For instance, the shelf is ready to use and is just attached on a bracket. The size affects the cost. For instance, a shelf holding 2 handguns, a shotgun, and their magazines cost $370. More than 50 years have passed since the AR-15 rifle was initially produced. However, it's still a common hunting and self-defense tool in the US. About 10 million weapons were held by citizens of that nation in 2016. Manufacturers of several kinds of storage systems are attempting to profit from this reality. As a result, some really intriguing solutions are produced, like this system for transportation and storage. Its creation from the ground up is its main characteristic. Rather than creating an additional safe, the engineers devised a little locking mechanism. It takes 4 seconds for the gun to fire. However, removing the weapon from the wall will need a significant amount of force, roughly 3,500 pounds. The gadget may be concealed with a regular jacket, and the unique lock can be unlocked with ease in the dark, even with one hand. It costs $110. In what range does a bed go? Here's a model that surpasses the 390,000 option that the Swedes originally offered in at least one way. It has weapon concealing spots installed. You see a handcrafted bed that the creator not only created, but actually put together on your screen. Because it is composed of solid cedar, it is quite robust. Additionally, an entire armament may be placed inside the parts. Thrilled, several commenters want information on how to create their own version. The author did not, however, address whether his wife thought well of the bed. It is generally not recommended to store guns in cars or pickup trucks, since they do not have enough room to store weapons safely. The designer's entitlement. Changing the chairs to accommodate gun storage is the answer to that issue. After being modified, the chairs are simple to raise with one hand and include a weapon clip at the bottom. The built-in panel may be used to input a code or use an RFID key fob to unlock the clip. The mounts are simple to install and much simpler to operate according to their designers, and they are compatible with a large range of weapons. They are, of course, little and completely empty inside. It should be noted that these solutions have been in use for a while. In the past, this Mercedes-Benz 420 SE Guard was used as an escort to deliver cash to the bank. Only 5 of these automobiles are known to have been produced and to have operated effectively for 20 years. These automobiles have B5 level armor as well as firearms on all 4 doors. An M16 rifle thrown 33 feet away will not damage this vehicle. Thus, handyman decided to make his own safe while renovating a property. He altered a portion of the wall and a door frame to accomplish this. Since plasterboard is used to make it, he finished the task quickly. The end product is a hinge-assisted frame that can be raised to reveal a storage compartment, large enough to hold a rifle or an extra set of vehicle keys. In the future, the author intends to enhance the design. Magnetic locks are the plan, but it was a smart idea to show everything on tape and expose the secret at the same time.